To manage widgets on cover screen on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, first of all, we can go to settings. Over here in settings, we can scroll down and go to cover screen, and you can find widgets over here. However, these widgets are accessible if you unlock your Z Flip 7 while using the cover screen, of course. And you can just simply choose one of these apps that we have available over here, and you have 2 pages in total that you can use, so you can add your stuff over here. In some cases, we actually have 4x4, and you can keep adding pages over here once you run out of these pages. So this is one of the thing. And another thing with widgets is that you can have widgets in the lock screen of the cover screen. So if you go to the customization, you should be able to tap on the widgets over here, and you can add widgets here. So let's say I'm going to go to device care, I'm going to use this button, and then maybe in digital well-being, I'm going to also use this one. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.